Dear friends, today I want to talk to you about power of the mastermind. And what is the power of the mastermind? We see the video and can understand. We have a brain, we have a power, and after using this power, so many people success in this world. An economic principle and a psychic principle give you a remarkable cooperative alliance. The power, the mastermind help you to accumulate money and keep your money growing and develop your life day by day. For this reason, we should use our brain to make our property, make our honor and our development of life. In the world, the famous person in the world like is Einstein, Thomas Alva Edison, they uses their brain of power of the mastermind. The mastermind principle hold the secret of the power wielded by people who surround themselves with other men of brain. Power may be defined as organized and intelligently directed knowledge. Power, as the term of is here used, refer to organized effort sufficient to enable an individual to transmute desire into its monetary equivalent. Power is here the mind, that means mastermind. We should use it easily and can develop our life. Here power is required for the accumulation of money. Power is necessary for the retention of money after it has been accumulated. Now you can use more brain than yours own. Man's brain may be compared to an electric battery. It is a well-known fact that a group of electric batteries will provide more energy than a single battery. The brain function is a similar fashion. A group of brain coordinated or connected in a spirit of harmony will provide more thought energy than a single brain. So dear friends, we all try to develop ourselves, develop our skill, develop our money making policy. For that reason we do so many things, but few people cannot use their brain properly. If we use this brain properly and we multiply the brain in various sectors, we can success. And this is the use of mastermind. If you use these tools, you may recover so many things in your life. We hope you will do better to use the power of mastermind and be happy.